Hi everyone!
Hi.
This beautiful spiral galaxy, NGC 7331, is a highlight in itself, but a short while ago there was a supernova that occurred right next to the galaxy's core.
And right next to that, there's Stephan's Quintet, 5 galaxies that are often photographed together with NGC 7331. Our challenge, can we capture everything in one photo? We decided to use not just one, but 2 telescopes for this. Our initial plan was ambitious. We wanted to use our 500mm Newtonian reflector telescope. The advantage of 500mm, we would capture not only NGC 7331 but also the famous galaxy group, Stephan's Quintet, in the same frame. A dream composition. First we were setting up the telescope. But the evening started terribly. First, the mount wouldn't communicate properly. Then our autoguiding kept failing. The stars were distorted into ovals. This became very clear on the autoguiding graph. Only a third of the individual sub-exposures were even usable. Swapping the mount was the key. Setting up the equipment went smoothly, but the cable management needs some improvement. Things went much better on the second night. The auto-guiding graph showed no problems anymore. This is the result of a single 120-second exposure. You can already clearly see the galaxy in the supernova. We collected data with the 500mm setup throughout the night, and it was clear and beautiful night overall, with just a few clouds. And this is the result after stacking. A beautiful region. You can see the Quintet wonderfully. But look here, at this focal length, the supernova is just a tiny pixel. You're guessing at it more than you're actually seeing it. That wasn't enough for us. We wanted to see the supernova properly. So we went out again, this time with double the focal length, our 1000mm Newtonian reflector telescope. The drawback, Stephan's Quintet is now out of the frame. We sacrificed the composition for the detail. And here it is, unmistakable, an exploding star 50 million light years away, directly next to the galaxy's core. What a sight! It's already visible in the 60-second exposure. For the next few hours I tried to capture as many photons as possibly. Still, some shots I couldn't use, but more than half were usable. We captured the light, we stacked the images, but right now the galaxy is hiding in plain sight. So we are about to change that by using a free software called Siril. So let's get started. We start with the background extraction. First, we need to correct for uneven illumination and light pollution by performing a background extraction. This step helps flatten the image and remove gradients. I typically use the automatic mode for a quick, clean initial result, which gives us accurate true star colors. Siril uses catalog star data to automatically adjust the white balance of the image. After that comes the most important step, stretching the histogram or applying a nonlinear curve adjustment. Since our stacked image is in linear format, meaning faint objects are invisible, we need to remap the intensity levels to reveal the fainter details of the galaxy. See, suddenly the supernova virtually jumps out at you. A single star shining nearly as bright than the entire core of the galaxy. It's simply astonishing. At 2 a.m. I finished the session and called it a night. So we have now 2 incredible but very different results. On one hand, The postcard view, the beautiful ensemble of NGC 7331 and Stephan's Quintet. You can see where they live in the universe. On the other hand, the scientific shot, a detailed look at the galaxy and this one incredible moment, the death of a massive star. Ultimately, it's a matter of taste. What do you find more exciting, the epic overall composition or the rare detail? Let us know in the comment which picture you prefer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this hunt, give us a like and subscribe to the channel.